Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Stephanie. I'm Stephanie, the Youth and Community Librarian from the Medicine Hat Public Library. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I have a very special craft. So unfortunately we had to cancel our very exciting comic book day in light of everything that is happening. So to kind of bring some cheer, I am going to show you one of the crafts we are going to make at our comic book day. It's super easy. All you need is some comic books or manga or old magazines that you have lying around. We are going to make these super adorable little fridge magnets. It's super easy. Stay tuned. Alright, so for this craft you are going to need some old comic books, manga, magazines, whatever you have lying around at home. These glass beads, you can get them in a variety of sizes from the dollar store. Fairly strong magnets. Again, I got these ones from the dollar store. Glue stick, pencil, scissors, and a glue gun. So the first step is to find an image that you really like. I've picked out a couple that already. I'm going to make a Baymax magnet. And you're going to take whichever size of bead you like to work with and you're going to place it over the image like so to know what kind of size you want. And once you're happy with the placement, take your pencil and you're just going to trace so you know where to cut out. To make this easier, I'm just going to rip this page out. Then, following the outline we just made, we're going to cut it out. So if you're like me and you're really bad at cutting circles, just place your bead over top, kind of see where you need to trim. Pretty happy with that. You can also trim a little bit more once you have glued your picture on the bead. Just do a little bit more. Alright. So then next you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to glue the top side of the image. You actually want to glue the image that's going to be face up. You don't want to glue the back side. Then all you are going to do is place the bead on top, press it down so nice and firm, and then we're going to let it dry. So I'm just going to put it aside to dry before we glue the magnet on. So I'll show you what it looks like with a smaller bead as well. Found this really cool image of Flash. I'll just do his head. I love the Flash, one of my favorite superheroes. Done the tracing, and again I'm going to rip this page out to make it easier for me. Alright, and then glue the top side again. Your bead on top, press it nice and tight, and here we go. Now we're going to let the second one dry, bring our first one back. I forgot to mention that while we're cutting these shapes out that you should have your glue gun plugged in and heated up and ready to go. So we're going to flip our magnet, our bead, put a little dollop of hot glue on the back of the magnet. And stick it on the back. And let it dry. A little fun hack, you want to make sure that you're gluing down the right side of the magnet so that it actually sticks on your fridge. Thankfully, these are double-sided magnets, so that it won't really matter. To test that, just grab something metal, see which side is going to stick, and you'll want to put the glue on the opposite side so that when it's ready, you can actually put it on your fridge. Okay, I'm going to let that guy dry. take our little one, do the same thing. Put a bit of hot glue on the magnet. The awesome thing is because you have used a picture, you won't see the magnet when you flip it over like that. I'm gonna trim my bigger one just a touch. I made it a little bit too big. And there we go. You have just made 2 comic book fridge magnets. How easy was that? I hope you enjoyed this little craft and it kind of made your day in light of us canceling Comic Book Day. We would love to see your creations, so please post them onto Instagram and tag us at MHPLTeens, and you can use the hashtag craftingwithstephanie. We'd love to see your designs, and we hope you stay safe. We'll see you again soon.